Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, or welcome if you are new here. So today we are a little late in the game, but we are going to be cleaning and decorating for fall. But hey, at least it's getting done. That's what I always say. So I just like to start out with a clean slate. As you can see, there's literally like no decor in my living room. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum really well, and then I will go ahead and start to decorate. So you guys are gonna have to let me know down below, how do you typically decorate for Halloween? Do you go all out in decorating the whole house in Halloween, or do you kind of just incorporate a few pieces into your fall decor? That's normally what I like to do, and I'm really only doing it for my little guy. I just put out a few pieces, but I love fall, and I love all my decor, and I also tend to keep it a little more on the simpler side, but I do love all the warm colors and all of the fall cozy feels. So as you see, I'm just starting off here at this entertainment center, and I'm gonna give the TV a really good cleaning because everything gets super dusty, and then I'll just go ahead and start to decorate. So this grateful banner that you see is from last year from Amazon. I really love it. It's just so simple, and I love the plaid pattern. So most of my decor is just stuff that I have had, over the years. I really do not need to buy any more decor. I have so much. And one tip that I can give you is to always try to shop your home, because you will be surprised at stuff that you have forgotten about and just stuff that you can reuse and repurpose. It will make you feel so good, especially knowing that you don't have to go out and spend more money, because Lord knows, if you're anything like me, we have so much decor. So that's what I always try to stick by, and it really does work. So on each side of my TV, I have those sconces, and every holiday I switch out the florals in them with the theme of that holiday season. So now I'm just sticking in some fall colored florals that I've had. Like I said, no need to go out and buy any more. And then I'll just go ahead and put a few pumpkin picks in there, and I think it turned out really nice.
No, so
Then I'll just go ahead and complete the look on each side of the TV with these candlesticks and a few little pumpkins, and that will be it. But I just also love using these free screensavers off YouTube, especially when I'm decorating and for the holiday season. It just makes it to be so warm and cozy feeling. And then I'll just go ahead and add this boho style banner, which is kind of fall-like, but I like the way it looks, so I just kept it up there.
but I don't wanna spend another night by myself, 'cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would I follow you when you're the only thing on me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
So now moving on to my blanket ladder, and I'm just going to keep this simple. I have had that basket decor for about 3 or 4 years from the Target dollar spot, and I just always switch it out according to the holiday. So now I'm just putting in this grateful sign. Instead of gluing it, I have this twine that I just kind of tie it on there and it stays, and then I just put a piece of greenery on top. I love that thing, and it's just so simple. So that's a DIY that you definitely can do. And here is just another wreath from Target, and I just found a bow from Dollar Tree that I just kind of put inside the middle of it, and I just hang it on a hook, and it looked really nice. So I really love these tall candlesticks. I have been eyeing them for a while, and I finally picked them up from at home. And I'm going to create a fall look with these LED flameless candles, and I just got some fall garland, so you guys will see how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. You're going to have to let me know down below.
Comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do.
Now I'm moving on to my little end table. I wanted to keep it simple, but I wanted just to put a little bit of decor for fall. So I'm just going to give it a good cleaning first. And then I picked up, I'll show you guys here in a minute, a beautiful wooden leaf from Hobby Lobby. I got it late last year, but it was like 30% off. And I thought it was just so cute. It's also food safe, so I thought it would be really nice for Thanksgiving to put some snacks or a dessert out on the table. But here I'm just putting some pumpkins and some wooden beads, and then I'll just finish it off with some fall florals.
See those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel.
And now I'm just moving on to the dining room table. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good cleaning first. Then, as you will see, I have a garland that I was going to place across the table, but I decided I didn't like that, and I sort of wrapped it around the tray. So I think that actually turns out a little bit better. And then I went ahead and put the 2 candles on each side, and of course the placemats to tie it all together, and I think it turned out really nice.
Just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those.
Lastly, moving on to my most favorite thing in my house to decorate, it's my entryway table. I think it's because it's the first thing that catches your eye when you walk through my front door, so it just gives off that really welcoming and inviting vibe. But I'm going to give it a good cleaning first because it's under the AC filter, and of course being right near the door, it just gets extra dusty and dirty, so I feel like I'm always cleaning it. I'm just using the Method wood cleaner, which I've been using for years, and then I'll go ahead and decorate. Again, just using decor that I've had, just putting it in different places and just giving it an overall different look. I'm really happy with the way it turned out.
feel the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I...
Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you, and it's totally free. I hope I could have given you a little bit of inspiration. I love to decorate. It's like my creative outlet. Do a little more of what makes you happy every day. That's what I try to live by. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys again real soon in my next one.